Looking for a quick, refreshing and healthy dessert? This fruits yogurt dessert is creamy, loaded with fresh fruits and absolutely guilt-free. Stay tuned till the end to discover its amazing health benefits. I'm Nahida with you. Let's start. Preparing the creamy base. Start by taking 1/4 cup of whipping cream and beating it until fluffy. This adds a rich, velvety texture to our dessert. Now add 1 cup curd or yogurt and 1/4 cup condensed milk. Mix well until smooth and creamy. For the best result, use thick or Greek yogurt. It gives a richer texture. Yogurt contains good bacteria that improve digestion and boost immunity. Now let's add a variety of fresh juicy fruits. 1/4 cup of apple, 1/2 cup watermelon. Now adding green grapes, some red grapes, strawberries, some chopped bananas, black grapes, orange, and some pomegranate. 1/4 cup of apple adds crunch and fiber. Watermelon, refreshing and hydrating. Gently mix everything so that the fruits are evenly coated with the creamy yogurt mixture. Adding bananas to yogurt can help your body absorb more calcium. Want a thicker dessert? Chill for 30 minutes before serving. It tastes even better. This dessert is naturally sweet, so no refined sugar needed. The fruits do all the magic. Spoon the fruit yogurt dessert into serving bowls or glasses. Garnish with extra pomegranate seeds and a drizzle of honey for a glossy finish. This fruit mix provides vitamin C, A, and potassium, great for skin, heart, and energy levels. Look at that, a vibrant, nutritious, and creamy fruit yogurt dessert, ready to enjoy. Love healthy dessert? Try this out and let me know how it turned out. Like, share and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more easy, tasty and healthy recipes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.